Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm going to show you guys some Christmas lights. The box is open. I don't know, I guess it just flipped open, but okay. And so this is what they are. They are solar, and they come with a remote control. So how cool is that? So we're going to be able to put this anywhere. So here we go. We can open it up, and this is the solar panel. It's got some flashing going on. I guess it's charging as we speak. And then we have whatever else is in the box here. So everything else is in the box is out. So we have a remote control. We have a charger, I guess if we wanted to charge it manually and not do the solar part of it. And then we have the stake to stick it into the ground. Oh, the solar panel. Haha, it'll stick the solar panel. So we could stick the solar panel into the ground and just have it staked up there. Or we could probably just tie it up to something or hang it up with this little thing here. Or it even has a clip we can clip it onto. You should see, clip it onto my fence or whatever with that. So you got all different options to hook up the solar panel, which is nice. So let's check out what the lights look like if we can get them out of here. So let's open this up a little bit. Actually, this is going to be an interesting thing to do indoors. So we have, what is this? Just curious if this, oh, it's got like one of those two-prong plugs. I guess it puts out pretty decent power if it's able to connect this thing, and then you can connect it to something else in series. Because look at how many lights there are here. So let's open this up a little bit. So let's see what we got here. Let's push the button and see what happens. So power is on. Mode. Oh, look at that. Oh, so it's all blue lights. Oh, I think it might have light sensitivity, so it knows. Oh, it's on a mode that goes dim and bright. Okay, we're going to connect this thing up here, out here, and see what we got here. We're going to go connect it up onto the back of the couch and see what we get from there. I'm not going to go outside today. It's raining, so can't show you outside, and it's not Christmas yet. Okay, so let's see how we do this here. We will open this all up. There's my solar panel. There we go. So now we have it on. Can you guys see what's happening there? Let me turn off this light here. And we'll go to, let's just see. Oh yeah, there we go. You see it flashing. So there, that's what it looks like when it flashes. And this is the number 3 mode. Oh, I like that mode. It's only turning on and off, I think, because I'm not in, yeah. So when you do it, you can actually test it by pushing the button once, and then it does it. And then at night, it's got a night mode, so it knows to go on at night and do the rest. So this is the mode 3, so it just kind of flashes up and down. Mode 4, can you see it okay? Sorry, I got a chair in the way. Mode 4 looks like it's a dim to bright. Mode 5 is another different dim to bright. 6, this dog is going to eat it. Can you see my little doggy? Yeah, so 7. Oh, 7's just flashing a lot. And 8, looks like it's just on. Hey, doggy, no. And then we have a brightness. We can make it brighter and less bright. And we can do it different timers. We can set it for 3 hours, 8 hours, 5 hours, or timer off. And then we can just turn it all off if we want. So that's a pretty cool setup. So I like these lights. I'm ready to go stick them on outside. And what's good about it is I don't have to worry about plugging them in anywhere. So they're just going to work. So super thumbs up from me on these.